isa rin siya sa mga kabataan noon na puno ng pangarap. Paano ka ba ng bata?
Ever since, siya Bobby character, meron na akong sariling mic with a guitar. Oo, laging tumatanong, Daddy! Daddy! Alam mo yung gano'n. Nung bata ako, first off, I wanted to become a lawyer. Kasi yung daddy ko, lawyer. But the parang out of the box na pangarap was to become a Nadia Famici, which is a gymnast. She was a gymnast before. Green na swimsuit, green na swimsuit, yung puting tali. Nagagaganon din. Ginagaya ko siya sa video.
So, when you were 12, nagbakasyon ka dito sa Philippines. Doon ka na nakapasok sa pag-i-artista.
Tumulipin ko na po. Scout. For commercial. Ayaw ng dad ko. Yung mommy ko, syempre po, watch, diba? Parang, gusto niya. So, we didn't pay my dad, diba? She did the VTR.
Unang mapanood ang half-Filipino, half-Australian actress sa pelikulang Magic Kingdom. Sumabak din siya sa mga teeny bopper roles hanggang sa nabigyan pansin ang kanyang galing bilang actress. Baka dalawang trophies na nakuha Best Actress Award. Tapos meron ka pang box office queen. Ano yung na-feel mo?
Naalat naman ang lahat. It was quick rise to fame. Talagang, I came from doing the mga maliliit na roles. Pintre Angelo De Leon. The Alphabet Pond. Kapatid Kim De Los Santos. When I got my first acting awards, it's unbelievable. So may sense of achievement. Parang, I've waited so long. Tagal-tagal ko inep na ito.
15 years in the business.
15 years. So finally, ito na yun. So parang, it made me actually appreciate yung craft ko even more.
Sa kabila ng matamis na tagumpay ni Anne, ay ang mapait na pagsubok sa kanilang pamilya na magkahiwalay ang kanyang mga magulang nung siya ay 16 years old.
I think as a child, of course, meron kang galit, meron kang ayaw mong intindihin at the time kasi you don't have that maturity yet. Once naman nakikita mo na okay naman pala sila until na magkaibigan. That's why mas madali siyang tanggapin para sa amin.
Ang very loving at protective din na ate, hinarap ang kanyang pinakamatinding dagok sa pagpalo ng kanilang bunsong kapatid. Baby sister ninyo, si Claire, si baby Claire.
Claire. What happened to her? When she was 4 months na, she was diagnosed with cardiomyopathy, which has something to do with the heart. For her to have a transplant, you can't find a 4-month-old heart anywhere else in the world. And I remember it so clearly. I was rehearsing for the noontime show back then. Tapos tumawag yung dad ko na they're gonna take her off the machines na. Alam mo, first time in my life na naramdaman ko yung bagsak. Yung weakness in the knees. Na parang, oh my God. I mean, it was very traumatic kasi I'd never experienced that.
Coping with the loss, paano kayo nagtulungan?
I think it was harder for my dad. Kasi at his age, the one thing he kept on saying was, it's so hard to outlive your child. Nawa. Parang until this day, he always lights a candle for her when we meet. Kasi parang, hindi niya din matanggap na yung isang anak mo, diba? Na outlive mo. And I don't think any parent can deal with that. So, all of us, all of his children around the world, ang dami namin, we all came to Pampanga to be there for his family. Kasi he hadn't seen some of yung mga ibang anak niya after so long. My dad said, he's like, the beautiful thing is what Claire Bear did is he brought all of us together again.
Sa kapila ng mga pagsubok, naging sunod-sunod naman ang tagumpay ni Anne bilang box office actress, top endorser, platinum recording artist, at concert performer. Sa ngayon, meron pa siyang mahigit sa 3 million Twitter followers na nagsisilbi niyang inspirasyon sa kanyang buhay.
Yeah, I'm a pursuer of me. Na parang okay lang na mag-work ka na mag-work, pero dapat may mga sariling pangarap ka para sa sarili mo. And with patience, strive for it, diba? Parang claim it.
May nahihiling mo pa ba ang isang Anne Curtis?
Marami. Ano ba? I want to do an action film. dun yung